Our previous tutorials have guided you through the registration and connection process for both the firm and the client, and then how to access your transactions and assign them to the appropriate account. During this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to update your transactions utilizing your check images, and finally, how to retrieve a copy of the statement when reconciling your accounts. Firms utilizing the new bank feeds to import their clients' data now have access to their check images inside of Accounting Power. To utilize this information, we will navigate over to the Transaction Entry window, which is located under the Write-Up tab, and by selecting the Entry option. On the Transaction Entry screen, you will find a table with your unposted transactions. When you select a transaction line, the information will populate to the data field to the immediate left. Transactions that contain a viewable image will display a View Image button below. Click the View Image button to display the image. It is important to note that the images displayed will only be saved to your cloud cabinet if the transaction is posted. Images that are not posted will not be stored. Once you've categorized and posted all your transactions for the period, the reconciliation process should be very simple to complete. Firms that have subscribed to the bank feed service can now access their bank statements right from the reconciliation screen. We will start by opening the reconciliation window located under the Banking tab. Select the tab of the account you need to reconcile, and then select the proper account from the Bank Account drop-down. The period ending date will automatically change to reflect the next period to be reconciled. If this is your first reconciliation of the account, you may find that the period ending date is behind the current month. This is commonly caused by an inaccurate first reconciliation month starting date, which can be edited under the Bank and Credit Card Setup screen. Returning back to the reconciliation window, we will reconfirm our account selection and the period end date are correct before selecting the Import Statement button in the top right corner. After successfully importing the statement, you'll be notified on the screen and the Attach button will change to Preview. Clicking this button will open a new window where your statement will be displayed. In rare instances, people have reported pop-up control issues relating to their web browser, so please be aware of your personalized settings. Should you experience any difficulty displaying your images or statements, please attempt to clear your browser history, commonly known as cookies, or switch web browsers before retrying the import process. After reviewing the reconciliation summary against the statement, your difference must be 0 for you to be able to select the reconciliation button. To process multiple months of reconciliations, only the matching statement for the period will be provided. All statements imported through the reconciliation process are automatically stored in your cloud cabinet for future reference.